trying to sound deep. I just tell stories about my life with this music and let the sound speak. I came a long way from being broke. Sometimes I wonder how I did it, no kidding, that shit wasn't a joke. Something I noticed and it's true indeed. Everybody got a fucking opinion, no opportunities. And I'll listen when the check's clear. Giving advice when your ice looking phony, I hope your neck clears. Well, that's a story for the next beer. Give a solution to your worries and then it's on to your next fear. That's why money isn't the answer. Wealth is a mindset, poor thinking's a cancer. But don't mistake me for a rebel, I still got that hood by air on. With the gold bezel-less levels, I'm 22 but still don't feel in my prime. Mad knowledge and wisdom but I'm still on my grind. Purpose before the money when I got in the game. Can't tempt me with your riches, bitch, I'm staying the same. I seen too many artists do it, I ain't doing the same. Speaking life into your conscience, I won't leave you to hang. The culture need a solution. Shout out to the artists that's going stupid, retarded, but for those loose ends, nigga, I got that. And yeah, I keep a lyrical burner on me, so you fire, I pop back, I never been a pushover. I smoke here and there, but I don't need it to function, nigga, I'm good sober. Give me your favorite rapper, I bet I'm way doper. And not to mention his age, I bet he way older. I mean the youth really run it all, I value love over power, so I don't feel like I gotta have it all. Nigga, that's just real shit. It's real shit, yo. But I ain't really trying to sound deep. I just tell stories about my life with this music and let the sound speak. I use the law of attraction, nigga, you found me. But all the life of my haters wanted to down me. But then I finally discovered my worth. And now when I walk in the presence, I let my crown speak. I'm thankful that music found me. How you next? You don't invest in your music, homie, you sound cheap. You say you dope, but I would say you a joke. Keep your story to yourself, cause we done heard it before. My energy so high, I think I'm starting to glow. I'm keeping it real with you, boy, I'm starting to flow. Over all of the bullshit that was placed in my way. It's almost as if a nigga couldn't make a mistake. Ask me if life good, and I'ma say that it's great. High taste, so I might as well order that steak. But I ain't really trying to sound deep. I just tell stories about my life with this music, I let my sound speak.